Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to explain to you what gray borders are in Excel. When you open up a new or existing Excel file, you'll see that there are gray lines surrounding all of the cells. These gray lines are the gray border. They're simply there to help you keep track of your data. They'll separate the rows and the columns and all of the individual bits of information contained in the cells. In order to change this, if you would like to have lines in your borders, select the cells that you'd like to change, right-click, go to Format Cells, click on Border, and then here you'll be able to select a variety of different options to change the type of border that you'd like to use. You can change the color, the actual style of the border, and you can select whether you want the border to appear on certain sides of the cell, in this area and this area. So for this one, let's do inside and outline. And it's a solid border. I'll click OK, and now you can see that all the cells are bordered by this black line. And that's what gray borders are.